Now continuing to the interfaces, very important, another one thing I can say about interface is one class can implements one class can implements more than one interface. One class can implement more than one interface. Okay, so if a class is implementing more than one interface, then that class how to define, that class how to implement all the abstract methods from all the interfaces which have been implemented. Okay, so in this case class how to define or we can say implements all abstract methods from all implemented interfaces. Otherwise class how to declare as a declare as we can say abstract. Class how to declare as a abstract. For example, see, I do have one interface, or I can say demo interface 1. It is demo interface, I can say 1. Okay, and in demo interface, assume like I have put one method display. I have display method. Okay, no doubt it will be a static only. Sorry, it will be abstract only. So void display I have put it. Exactly same way I have created another one interface demo interface 2. Okay, and in that I can write here void, there is one method I can say show. Okay, like this one. So we have the two interfaces I have created. Now I am going to create one class as a demo class. I given the name as a demo class, and I want to see, this is what the normal definition for that, and I want to implement that. So how you can do? I can write implements demo interface 1 comma demo interface 2. So in this way we can implement more than one interfaces, comma separated list of that we can specify over here. But here we have to define all abstract methods. We have to define all abstract methods from both interfaces like that. Okay, so now this demo class can refer, or demo interface 1 reference variable can refer the object of demo class. Demo interface 2 also reference variable can refer the object of demo class. Okay, but remember here one thing is very important again. Demo interface reference variable can invoke the method of that interface only which is there. That means what? By using reference variable of demo interface 1, we can invoke only display, and by using a demo interface 2 reference variable, we can invoke only show method. Okay, so show cannot be invoked by using demo interface 1, and display cannot be invoked by using the demo interface 2, like that one. So this is what the thing. Actually I just go to the Eclipse here, and we will try the same interfaces again. Okay, I just will close this. And will create the same interfaces which I have just mentioned over here. For the sake of understanding, giving the same simple names here. Interfaces, okay, demo interface 1. I am going to create this one. Okay, and in that one, there will be, I'm putting only one method, assume like a void display I'm writing, nothing else, just writing here. Okay, this is what interface first one I have created. Exactly same way, I will create another one interface new. Okay, interface demo interface 2, like this one I have created again. In that one, I will put method as a void show method is there. Okay, no body, only the declaration, and you remember here we don't need to use abstract. Now I'm going to create a class. I'm going to create a class demo class is this. This is what the name I have given. Okay, this is what the class. Now I will just implements demo interface 1. Okay, as I have did like this one, you can see it is giving the error that we need to write the display. Okay, I'm just writing the display version of that. So public void display. Okay, and here I will write here sysout in demo class display. Okay, like this one I am writing. Okay, exactly same way I can put comma separated list over here. So just trying to put comma and demo interface 2. And you can see here there is no error, but here it is showing that you have to define this show method. So no worry, I will just go for public void show. Okay, and in that simply sysout, okay, in a demo class show method. Okay, we can see like this one. I have done like this one. So here my single class. Earlier we have implemented like a one interface have been implemented by more than one class. One interface have been implemented by more than one class. Now here we are doing like a one class is implementing more than one interface. Okay, so now while creating object of this class, see, I just create a class and a test demo class like this one. I just write here my main method is there, and in this I will create a reference variable. I will create or object class or a demo class. Okay, obj is equals to new, and here I have written the demo class. So I have created only one object of this class. Okay, demo class obj new, and by using that one even we can call, but it is what the static binding. It is what the static binding, and I don't want to use that. So I will go for writing obj. Sorry, I will create a demo interface 1 ref1. Okay, and is equals to, I will put a obj. So this object is of type demo class, but I am giving reference to here in the ref1. I am giving to the ref1, which is the reference variable of type demo reference interface 1. So now here I can write ref1 dot display. I can write ref1 dot display, and it will call the display method. But if I write ref1 dot show, and you can see it is not accessible over here. Here it is giving the error over here. It is giving the error over here. So it cannot be get called because it is not originally from that interface. So we have to put the comment over here. It can be get invoked. And exactly same way, I will create an object of demo interface 2. Okay, ref2 is equals to same obj. Okay, that same object will be get referred by both the interfaces reference variable, and here I can call ref2 dot show, and you can see show is available. But if I write ref2 dot display, display is not available. And if forcefully we try to write like this one, compiler give error. Compiler give error. So I will put this one in the comment and we'll try to execute this. Okay, we'll try to execute this. What it is showing? Hurry up to show. Okay, because I have not saved this one. So I just try to save this, everything. Okay, and then you can see there is no any error. Everything is fine. Okay, I will try to run this. Okay, and you can see in a demo class display, in a demo class show like this one. So this is what actually one interface can implement. One interface can implement more than one, sorry, one class can implement more than one interface. So this is what multiple inheritance. This is what the multiple inheritance through the interfaces. Through the interface, we can say, like this one. So one class is implementing the more than one interface. So it is what again the relationship between these interfaces and the classes, like that. Two classes will be get inherited by a single, sorry, two interface will be get inherited by the single class. So multiple inheritance is there. So that is what we can achieve through this. That is what we can achieve through it. Okay, yes, clear? Yes, any doubt? Now I want to show you again important point here. Sometimes, like see, classes will be get extended and interfaces will be get implemented. Classes, one class extend another class, and one interface one class implements the interface. So I can say one class can extends another class. We observe this one into the inheritance. Then one class can implement another interface. So that is what classes will be always extended and interface will be always implemented like this. Okay, but here the question always comes in the interviews, like can interface will be extended? Can interface will be extended? So answer is yes. Answer is yes. Why? Because I can say one interface can extends another interface. That means what? That is parent child relationship between interfaces can be implemented. Parent child relationship between interfaces can be implemented. So how you can do that? So very simply I can write interface, I can say parent interface. Okay, parent interface, and in that one we can have the method. Okay, exactly same way I will create a interface. Okay, child interface, and here there will be some abstract methods over here. Now we want to make the relationship here. So we can simply write extends, and here writing a parent interface. I'm writing a parent interface. So by doing this one, what we are trying to show, this is the child interface and this is the parent interface. So if we are doing this one, all the abstract methods of a parent interface will becomes the part of a child interface. No doubt, we don't need to write over there, but it becomes a part of that. That means what? That means what? If a child interface, is implemented by, if a child interface is implemented by class, then that class how to define, or implements all abstract methods of parent interface as well as child interface. Parent interface as well as a child interface. Again, otherwise class how to declare as a abstract. Remember this. Class how to declare as a abstract. So this point we will see this one through the Eclipse here. Okay, so I just go here and we'll create a new one interface class, not a class. I will just create a new interface. Okay, parent interface. Okay, for simply understanding purpose, I'm writing like this. Okay, and in that one, I will put this abstract method as a display. Okay, here this is my parent interface. In that one, I can just put this display. Okay, exactly same way in this interface, I will create a new interface, child interface. Okay, it is just finished. Okay, and here I will put a void display. Okay, so by doing this, I want to make the relationship extends, and I will write the parent interface like this. So I just made like this one. Okay, now I will create one class. Class demo, or it will be the demo parent, I can say child, demo parent child, and this class is going to implement the interface. So here implements which one interface? I will implement the child interface. So when I'm doing like this one child interface, we have to define all the methods. Of parent as well as a child. So here a display. Okay, so I have implemented this one. Okay, then I think I have not saved this. So just save this. Okay, public class demo parent child implements a child interface. Okay, in the child interface we have written child interface extends parent interface. Have the display method over here. Okay, we have done child interface. Okay, I have again written the display only, so only one method came there. Okay, so I want to make here show. Okay, so here show is that. So you can see here it is now showing the error. Why? It want another one, that show implementation of that. So simply here to remove this error, we have to override that one method too. So I just Control C I just make it control V. Okay, and here I will just write the show method. You can see. So in this way, that we can maintain the relationship between the two interfaces. Now I will now create one test class test parent child demo. Okay, demo parent child. In that one main. Now here I don't need to create reference variable of a parent interface. I don't need to create it. Simply I can write here child interface ref is equals to new demo parent child like this one. Demo parent child like this one. And by doing this one, demo parent, spelling mistake is that demo parent child, and you can see by doing this one it is enough. And now I can invoke the method ref.display. Okay, and I can call ref.show, and both methods can be called. I just write here. Okay, this is what the inheritance kind of relationship between the interfaces. Okay, so I think we have not putted the body. Okay, sorry. Here we have not putted any statement over here. So it was not showing anything. Okay, in a display. Okay, and I will do over here. This out in show like this one. Okay, and we'll try to rerun again. Okay, now it will give you output like this in display and in a show like this. So this is how one interface can be extended by another interface. So parent-child relationship between interfaces we can implement. Okay, now what I will try to do over here in front of you guys only. Okay, I do have the parent interface over here. Okay, I do have created the child interface, and now I want to extend more than one interface. So already we have created the operation interface over here. So I just try to write here operation. I will try to write here operation. over here. See, and there is no any error. So that means what here? One interface. Here I can say one interface. Here one interface can extends. One interface can extends more than one other interfaces. That is one child interface can have more than one parent interfaces, and this is what we call it as the multiple inheritance. It is called as a multiple inheritance, and that multiple inheritance was not possible in case of classes, but it can be achieved by using the interfaces. So here multiple inheritance we have achieved. Here multiple inheritance we have achieved. So as we have done this one, okay, so if my class is implementing this one, so that class have to define all the methods of that one. So again, addition method and division method I have to define over here. So I have to write here sysout in addition. Okay, and exactly same sysout in in division, like this one. And I can save now this one, and through this I can invoke all the methods. You can see here ref dot addition, ref dot, I can say division, yes, and we can call that, and the output will come for you guys. You can observe here the output. All the methods will be get called. All the methods will be get called over here. Okay, just ignore the messages, huh? Because some problem, some here actually there is error. Because of that, it is showing that message. So just ignore that. Okay, so it is showing this one. It is showing this one. So this is what, how we are going to achieve, multiple inheritance by using the interfaces. Hope it is clear. Yes.